The F-35 Lockheed Martin and J-35, also known as FC-31, a Chinese stealth fighter developed by Shenyang Aircraft Corporation, are both fifth-generation stealth fighters, but they are at very different levels of maturity, capability, and deployment. Here's a head-to-head breakdown. Luftwaffe F-35 Lightning II, USA. Char variants: F-35A, Air Force, F-35B, Marines, Estovelle, F-35C, Navy, carrier-based. Operational since 2015. Stealth, highly mature with low observable design and extensive combat testing. Avionics. Advanced sensor fusion, ASA radar, DAS, distributed aperture system, EOTS, electro-optical targeting system. Networking, extremely strong. Acts as a battlefield information hub. Weapons EM. Internal-external weapons capability. Includes AIM-120, JDAMs, SDBs, etc. Combat history. Used in combat. Israel, US, UK. Allies and widely adopted. UK, Japan, Italy, Australia, etc. Production. Over 1,000 produced. Rear cars. J-35, FC-31, China. Development. Name, FC-31, operational name rumored to be J-35, operational since, not fully operational. Still in development and testing stages. Purpose: carrier-capable stealth fighter for PLA Navy, intended for Chinese Type 003 carrier. Stealth: appears stealthy in design, but true radar cross-section unknown. Avionics: less is known. Presumed to be improving, but likely behind F-35 in sensor fusion and EWIC. Engines: early prototypes used RD-93s, Russian. Newer models likely use Chinese WS-19 or similar. Weapons: internal bays and external hardpoints expected, but capabilities unverified. Export market: FC-31 was originally aimed at exports, but no confirmed customers. Dr. Ibri X. Key differences: feature: F-35, J-35, FC-31. Surasazi Kausinin Nausakanda the Kanabasa Prior. What maturity. Fully operational, combat proven. Still in testing development. Stealth. Top tier, verified in operations. Likely stealthy, not combat tested. Avionics. World leading sensor fusion. Unknown, likely less advanced. Engine tech. Advanced, F-135 engine. Falsiking WS-19 not yet proven. Networking. Extremely advanced, JDC2 ready. Unknown. First operational use, widespread among allies, China only. Verdict: F-35 is currently superior. The F-35 is the better fighter jet as of now due to proven combat capability, advanced sensor and network integration, stealth and survivability, mature logistics and production systems. The J-35 may become a more formidable platform as it matures, especially with China's growing defense industrial capabilities. But at present, it's not yet appear to the F-35 High.